Hey everyone, I just wanted to give you a quick demo of our new map search that we have. Number one point that I want to make about this map is that this is a VOW map, and what that really means is that the map actually has every single property that's currently available on the Toronto Real Estate Board plotted into it, so that you give your clients the ability to search just as if they would on Realtor.ca to search through every single property that's currently available on the market. So let's take a look at what are some of the things that you can actually do on this map. Number one is, let's say your client wants to search for properties that are surrounding a specific school or a college, university, or whatever it may be. They can actually type the name of the school, and it will pull up the school and everything that surrounds that school with actual properties. And if I want to drill down a certain price range, I can say that I want properties only between $450,000 to $900,000 to show, and it will actually show only those properties for me. These here properties that are actually different color are properties that I've already looked at. So it actually changes the color of a property when I've already looked at it, just to help me sort of identify which properties I've looked at and which ones I haven't. And the ones in red are actually properties that I've marked as favorites, or the ones that I might like, so I can actually pull back up later. You could also pull up your favorites through the favorites menu at the top. But either way, let's actually take a look at some of these properties. If I click on it just to see the images, to see all the information about the property, and see everything else that we need to see as a client, they can pull up all the information that you typically could on Realtor.ca. They can look at the property, close it off. Now here's one interesting part, that you actually get a statistical analysis for everything that your client looks at on your website. On your back end, you actually have the ability to see everything your client has done that day. So it will show you specifically which properties they looked at and then how many times they've actually looked at it. So in this case, I just looked at this property 0 minutes ago, and it's showing that I've already looked at it twice, which I have. I've already looked at it previous to this, and my average property price that I've looked at is $684,000. I've looked at a total of 6 properties, and in particular, I've looked at 2 condos, 2 condo townhouses, and 2 detached homes. And the communities that I've actually looked at are Erin Mills, Glen Abbey, and Sheridan. So this particularly exactly shows us what our clients are looking at on our website, and it gives you a really back-end functionality to utilize that information and sell your client the best you can. Another thing that you can do with this map is your clients can actually drag around and look at other properties within whatever range they want. And if they wish to really look at the whole GTA, they can look at every single property. If you wanted to, as an agent, let's say your client asks you to send him a list of quick list of properties that are currently available in a specific area, you can actually do a radius surrounding a specific area, copy this link that's in the URL, and email that to your client. And when your client actually opens it up, they will see everything and exactly what you sell, and they'll actually see the properties that you sent them off, and they'll be able to look at them in particular on their own. So the map is really powerful in many different ways. You can really use it whatever way you want. It works on mobile devices, so it will work on tablets, it will work on cell phones, it works on desktop devices. That is completely responsive, which means that the map will actually respond to the size of the screen. So if it's a really small screen looking at it, it will shrink down. And if it's a huge monitor looking at it, it will actually expand itself automatically so that it fits that browser size and fits that screen size. I'll end it at that. If you guys have any questions regarding our map, please let us know. We'd love to hear your suggestions and opinions. Thank you very much.